How to create a custom template in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you are using the latest version of CapCut app. Once you check that, launch it. Now click on this option of New Project. Now go ahead and select picture and videos that you want to upload as a template in your CapCut account. Once you select it, at the bottom you're gonna find different options. You can use these options to edit your template. And once you are done with the editing part, you have to export it. At the top right corner, you will find this arrow icon. Click on it. Now click on Save to Device. Along with the Share to TikTok option, you will find the option of Upload as Template. You have to click on that option and your custom template will be created. But in order to be able to create a custom template in CapCut, you will need to be a pro editor or CapCut creator. Once you are pro editor or CapCut creator, you will be able to upload template on your CapCut account. So that's all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to create a custom template in CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.